The Ahnenerbe are one of the most mysterious and compelling of all of the top secret departments founded in Germany under the Third Reich. The group, which grew out of a secret society, worked under the auspices of Heinrich Himmler with the task of finding proof that a master Aryan race had once exercised supremacy across the entire globe. The group traveled the globe under the leadership of Professor Ernst Schaefer, who reported directly Himmler exploring various occult phenomenon. On their missions it is known that they attempted to recover the Holy Grail, find the remains of Atlantis and make contact with extraterrestrials. However, the details of what they discovered and the purpose of their most extensive missions to the Arctic and Tibet are still almost a complete mystery. Now, people are coming forward to claim that they know exactly why the secret Nazi group made such an extended trip to Tibet. They wanted to find a Yeti. According to Messi Reinhold, a celebrated mountain climber who claims to have experiences with Yetis, the Nazis believed that the Yeti might be the missing link that they needed to prove their theory of the Aryan race being of divine origin. The theory of glacial cosmogony posited that all cosmic energy springs from the clash between ice and fire. It was a popular theory at the time, believed by more than the largely ignorant Nazi leadership. Reinhold explains, Himmler was convinced that it proved the divine origin of the Aryan race. The Yeti may have been the reason for his mandate that the Tibetan data be kept secret. Kenneth Haidt, an expert on the Nazis' involvement with the occult, says that it is certainly true that Himmler had some incredibly odd theories about the world. It's always difficult to say what specific craziness was rattling around in Himmler's head at any given time, he said. He believed that runes were magical, and that he was the reincarnation of King Henry the Fowler, and that a secret society of witches passed down their wisdom from before the flood. Therefore it is perfectly feasible that Reinhold is telling the truth about the Yeti mission to Tibet. However, Haidt says that it is just as plausible that this is a well-placed smear intended to present Himmler as a lunatic.